Want to improve your Natarajasana? Don't rush into the full pose. A beautiful dancer pose begins with preparing the body first. Today, I'll show you how to build the pose step by step. Namaste, my name is Dr. Aparna Shukla, and you're very welcome to Mastering Yoga Asana series. So, step one is that prepare the knees. Begin standing tall with your feet hip width apart. First, simply bend one knee and bring your heel toward your sitting bone. Don't worry about holding the foot yet. Just explore the movement. Bend, release. Notice how comfortable your knee feels. Also, prepare your upper body so that your spine is always tall. This is your first preparation for Natarajasana, that you should have a comfortable knee bend in one leg and feel balanced. Now bring your weight into your standing leg. Keep your standing foot strong and grounded. Lift through the crown of your head and gently engage your core. Then bend the opposite knee again. If you need support, you can use a wall or chair. Balance comes before the beautiful shape of a dancer. Keep your standing knee soft. Don't lock it. Now, when you're comfortable, reach back and hold the inside of your ankle. If you can't reach your foot comfortably, you can use a yoga strap. And here is an important point: don't pull the foot towards you. Keep the knee pointing down and close to the midline of your body. From here, begin to press your foot gently into your hand. As the foot moves backward and upward, allow your chest to move forward. Think of creating length, not simply going deeper into the pose. Press foot back and chest forward. Now you can gradually explore the fuller expression of Natarajasana. The goal isn't to get your legs as high as possible. The goal is to maintain balance, stability, and length throughout the whole body. Common mistakes are: one common mistake is allowing the lifted knee to move out to the side, another is collapsing into the lower back, and sometimes we become so focused on lifting the leg that we lose the standing leg alignment. So correct it with a standing foot grounded, standing knee stable, lifted knee pointing down, core gently engaged, chest reaching forward. Natarajasana challenges balance, concentration, hip mobility, and strength. And perhaps its greatest lesson is this: you don't need to force your body into balance. You create your balance through awareness. Practice patiently, use support when needed, and let the pose develop. Save this video and practice the preparation before attempting the full pose of Natarajasana. Keep practicing yoga daily.